Hey everyone, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody. Well, there's been a lot going on around here. This morning my son got here early and we got out here. We started working. I'm going to show you some things that I got done all this last few days. Okay. I got see all my wood chips. Got all these put down out here. Clean this up out here with wood chips. Cleaned all this up with wood chips. Doesn't that look good? I love that. Also, I got a lot going out here I'm working on. I am flat working out here, y'all. I am working. My tomatoes in the ground. Put my bench here. Didn't have one there before. This corner right here that had nothing but junk in it. I've got a blueberry bush my son bought me. I'm going right over in that corner. And the rest of this whole area gets wood chips. Makes it look nice and clean and neat. I have flat been working. I am not kidding. All right, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Da-da-da! There's my fence. Got it up. Got the fabric on it. Also, there's a septic tank under this area. I put, it's got a cover at the top so they don't have to take the whole top off of it. So I put that wood chips down there and put a little table on top of that so that I wouldn't have to weed eat around that thing all the time. But let's show you the fence. All right, here's what it looks like up close. Now you can, well, from here, I don't think you can see through it. I can slightly see through it, slightly see my neighbor's house, and slightly see the road. But here's the way it's connected with these grommets. There's the T-posts that we used. And look, y'all, all the way down. Now, I wanted it off the ground about this. For one thing, nobody's going to lay down on the ground and look under the fence. You just can't see up under that fence from a distance. But I wanted the height. That's what I wanted the most, the height. Because as you can see, let's see. Well, my height is about right here. Doesn't do anything for the noise, does it? That's that truck, that man. All right. That's the way it looks all the way down. I am so proud of it, y'all. I am so proud. See, aren't you saw a car go by right there, but you could barely make it out. You can see the road now that the sun is on this part of the fence, but you can't see a whole lot of it, and other people cannot see in. And this is exactly what I wanted. It wasn't difficult to put up. I couldn't show it, us assembling it though, y'all, because we just have to hurry. We have to kind of get on with it. It's what we did. So, but it's easy to do, very easy to do. Start in one corner if you're going to do it. So the top right corner, and roll it out. All right, I'm gonna go around this way. I'm going to show you that big old pile of mulch. Y'all remember that? Look at there. Got my car back under the carport. working out in the yard. I've got a lot of mulch down. Let's see if I can show that. Here's where that big pile of mulch was. It's gone. It is flat gone. We're burning stuff out in the back. Getting that cleaned up. Okay, and see here? Here's where I spread all that mulch down. Now this fence right here is where my white fabric goes. And this is the white fabric right here. And it's going to go on this fence right here so that you can't see under the carport. But look, I got all that mulch down. I am tickled as I can be over this. Now I just got to get the mulch down in other places and my yard all cleaned up and I'll be all set. Anyway, it wasn't as terrible putting up that fencing, that material on that fencing as I thought it was going to be. But 2 people, really and truly, 2 people is best if you can get someone to help you. It goes easier. It's much easier. But 1 person can do it. Okay? All right. I just want to show you how it's looking. So, thanks much for tuning in. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.